traders, it's time once again for the Forex Outlook, a market overview brought to you by Dukascopy TV and investing.com. Well, what a week last week was for your favourite currency pairs. The ECB may be comfortable with shoring up the economy, but it was far from plain sailing for the single currency. The euro fell to one-month lows against the dollar on Friday, extending steep losses from the previous session, as Mario Draghi said the bank could act as early as next month. Then German exports fell 1.8% on Friday, rounding off the week with yet further pressure. The euro dropped to two-month lows against the yen as a result. Elsewhere Friday, the dollar gained ground against the yen and the Swiss franc. Many of these countries are to release retail sales throughout the week. We also have ZEW's and New Zealand annual budget statement, which could be of interest for Kiwi traders. Indeed, many surprises could be in store, so make sure you keep watching. Well, it wasn't such a sparkly week for gold, as gold futures ended Friday's session modestly lower, as a broadly stronger US dollar dampened the appeal of the precious metal. Yellen's testimony took its toll, and on the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold for June delivery tumbled 10 cents a troy ounce to settle at $1287.60. Elsewhere in metals trading, COMEX copper trading inched up as data from China helped ease concerns about demand. So, mixed fortunes it seems on the commodities complex last week. Stay with Dukascopy to find out what this week has in store. Now, the euro wasn't stealing all the thunder last week. Sterling pulled back from almost five-year highs against the dollar earlier in the week. But speculation for a UK rate hike continues to underpin demand for the pound. A string of strong data from the UK bolstered expectations. Ms Yellen also played her part. Despite dismal Q1 GDP, she expects the economy to accelerate and says monetary accommodation remains warranted. This week we'll see retail sales from both sides ahead of Tuesday's BOE inflation report, which should give more clues, so traders keep watching. And let's finish up by seeing what the situation is with oil. Well, New York traded crude oil futures briefly rose to a two-week high on Friday before turning lower as a broadly stronger US dollar prompted investors to lock in recent gains. NYMEX oil futures ended the week with a loss of 0.23%. In the week ahead, investors will be looking to US data on those retail sales, consumer prices and consumer sentiment for further indications on the strength of the economy and the need for stimulus. So, is the global economy recovering? Will monetary policy tighten or loosen? Maximise your trades by tuning in next week for the Forex overview, brought to you by Dukascopy and investing.com. For now though, it's goodbye.